let's open these Little Tikes toys from the brand Miniverse. And welcome to my channel, Notorious Crafts, where I share all things dollhouse miniatures. In this video, I will open 13 of these capsules. These are the Little Tikes Series 2. I missed out on Series 1, so I'm trying to collect all of the items from Series 2. I bought all of these from different stores, some on Amazon, some from Target, some from Walmart. I tried to get them from different sources so that I wouldn't end up with too many duplicates. This is my first time opening up some toy capsules from Miniverse. I have previously only opened some up from Mini Brand, so I'm really excited to try these out. To save my nails and not ruin my nail polish, I'm using a tool to help me with the packaging, especially because there are 2 layers of plastic for each ball, and then I have to open up 13 of these. So this is my first time seeing these capsules. I absolutely love the design on them. They really put a lot of thought into it. I unpackaged the rest of these off camera to save you the time of having to watch me open up all of these. It's time to open up the first ball. And each one only has 2 toys per capsule. Each toy also comes within its own box. The boxes do look like the life-size versions. I grew up playing with Little Tikes toys, so I'm so excited to see what I got. I believe this yellow piece is a stand for the capsules. The capsules do turn into display cases. Each capsule comes with one of these guides so you can see what are some of the toys that you can get. I really hope I can collect all 12 of them. The first toy that I got is this red wheelbarrow. I did not have the life-size version of this growing up. I do remember seeing it, but I never played with it as a kid. These boxes are so pretty, I don't want to ruin them, so I'm opening them up carefully. And it looks like it's wrapped in some tissue paper to protect it. The wheels on it actually spin, which I love when toys and miniatures are as realistic as possible. It also comes with a little blue shovel. Don't forget to check all of the tissue paper if you get these to make sure you don't miss any of the items inside. The second toy in this set is a little handiworker playset. I also did not have this one growing up or play with it. It comes with these tiny little tools. I'm actually going to keep it in the plastic packaging so that I don't end up losing these. I read the instructions on how to turn the capsule into a display case. Love that Miniverse found a way to reuse these plastic capsules and use them as display cases so that you're not throwing out the capsules. On to ball number 2. And it looks like I got the same exact thing, a duplicate on my second ball. I'm not even going to open these. I'm going to put these to the side to save you guys some time. All right, let's try ball number 3. Hopefully it's not another duplicate. Okay, thankfully it's something different. The first item is this little mini swing. It's like the other capsule. This came wrapped in tissue paper. I like that they're trying to minimize plastic and waste. I did play in one of these life-size swings as a child. I actually do have a picture in one somewhere at my mom's house. The instructions show that you can either hang this swing from the top of the capsule or put it on one of these little mini display cases. So I'm going to put it on this cardboard display. The second toy in this capsule is a T-ball set. I don't remember seeing this toy when I was a child. I don't know if this is one of the new toys or maybe I just never happened to come across it. This set did come in a little plastic baggie. I was hoping everything was going to come all in paper to minimize plastic. This toy set, you do have to put it together. It comes with a base and then a red top, and it comes with 2 tiny little plastic baseballs. There are these tiny little grooves at the bottom where you can place the baseball, and then I'm just going to place the bat behind it. On to ball number 4. Let's see what I got. Oh, this is really exciting. I actually played with both of these as a kid. I do remember having one of these little plastic table and chair sets. Wow, this is so tiny and cute. I think this is my favorite one so far. I'm curious what scale these are. These are too small for Barbies, which are 1/6 scale. If anyone knows the scale of these miniatures, can you please put it down below in the comments? The second toy in this capsule is this very colorful xylophone. I do remember seeing this one growing up. I did not have it myself. I don't remember who had it. Maybe it was at a friend's house. This one is non-functioning. It looks like the arm that you use to play the xylophone doesn't come off, so you can't actually play the keys. But the wheels do spin, which is a really nice detail. It would be even cooler if you could actually play it and it made music. Ball number 5, let's see what's inside. So this is not part of the Series 2 collection. This is actually Little Tikes Series 1. I have no idea how I ended up with a Series 1 capsule. I bought all of these online, so I wonder if one of the retailers got mixed up and accidentally sent me a Series 1. I'm not too upset about this because I really wanted to collect Series 1. This toy is a little basketball set. It comes with a plastic little ball, but it doesn't come with a net. I'm not sure if that's on purpose. The second toy is a little tiny toy car. It is so cute. I love how Little Tikes puts faces on all of their cars. I wish I could find more Series 1 capsules. They are really expensive right now. I think Little Tikes stopped making them. Let's see what's in ball number 6. Both of these look really exciting and colorful. This little playset is called the Junior Activity Gym. I remember the preschool or the daycare that I went to had one of these, so I did play with one of these as a kid. This really does look like the life-size one. I'm getting so much nostalgia right now and just remembering my childhood while opening these up. The second toy in this capsule is this little red wagon. I definitely had one of these. I think we had multiple of them. I remember taking turns riding in these with my siblings. The handle on this does fold out and the wheels do spin so you can actually pull it. All of these toys do come with a really small Little Tikes logo. On to ball number 7. The first toy is this little tiny pink car. When I was a child, I do remember playing with a toy car like this, but it was red and yellow. I don't remember ever seeing a pink one. The pink version is so adorable. I would have loved to have played with this pink one as a child. Just like all the other toy cars, the wheels spin. The next toy is this miniature plastic grocery cart. It does look a little bit different than the packaging. The basket doesn't have the holes like the life-size version. I need to find some miniature plastic toys to put inside of the basket. And in ball number 8, it looks like we have a duplicate of the same exact set that I just opened. Ball number 9, okay, something new. This is not a duplicate. I don't recognize these. I don't remember seeing these in my childhood. The first one is a little toy bulldozer. It actually comes with a little tiny figure with the most cutest face, and he even has his yellow construction hat. Safety first. I am really impressed with this little toy bulldozer. It is fully functioning. The next one is called Family Car. This one comes with a car and 4 figures. Each of the figures is different from one another and also have the most adorable little faces. These little figures also remind me of little cupcakes. The car has 4 spots, so there's plenty of room for my little cupcake figures. Ball number 10 is some more duplicates. I'm skipping over the duplicates that I get. I'm not even going to take them out of the box. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet. Maybe I'll sell them or give them away. And in ball number 11, there are some more duplicates. Let me just check the guide. I think I collected all 12 from Series 2. I think I have all 12. I'm so happy I was able to get all of them and I don't have to go out and buy some more capsules. In ball number 12, I know it's a duplicate. It looks like this is the bulldozer and family car set. And the very last ball, number 13, this is a duplicate of the wheelbarrow and the workbench set. And here is the whole entire collection, Series 2, and then I put the one that I got from Series 1 just on the side. These capsules were so much fun to open. They really took me down memory lane and just remembering some fun things and toys that I played with in my childhood. Also really impressed with all of the details in all of the toys as well as the boxes that they came with. If any of you played with some of these toys in your childhood, let me know down below in the comments. I really want to find some more capsules from Little Tikes Series 1. Those have even more toys from my childhood, so I hope I can find some more of those in the future. It's really hard for me to choose a favorite one. I think I have many favorites. I love the little pink car. I didn't have that one as a kid, but it's still just so cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.